Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review a remote control boat, but a handmade Batman boat or a Batboat. Yeah, this is 29 inches long. It's all made of wood and fiberglass on the outside. It's got a motor inside from Aquacraft, a B27. That's a 17 kV motor. The back here is all Hobby King hardware and your typical copper beryllium prop.
The hardware has been modified. We drilled this out to accept the brass, and the brass is actually two pieces.
Yeah.
From here to here.
Okay.
That give us our stuffing box.
Oh, perfect. And also you added tabs also.
And it's imperial sizing thread, because that's a 150 cable.
Yep.
And that's 5mm to 150.
Okay.
Adapter.
And you were saying that's a B27, right? Your motor?
Yeah.
And the ESC is a Hobby King 90 amps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a 1700 kV motor.
And your the servo is just your Hobby King waterproof, yeah, high torque servo. Yeah, and the orange receiver. And you can see the inside here. It's all wood. I'm going to. A closer look at the inside here, so you can see the frame of the boat, like I said, in wood. Wood on the side, but it's covered on the outside with fiberglass to, of course, to have it waterproof.
Can we open this up?
We're on the forest now. Yeah, good speed. Would say that. Yeah, it's faster for sure on 4S than 3S.
Notice when you're going fast?
Yep. It starts to
It wants to rock over.
Yeah.
You don't want it to rock. That's it, I think. Give her? Yeah.